there, Trivandrum Hall Passport had become very big. And after that we went to Kodar school, which was also very small. With the blessing of Ma Durga, Kodar school also flourished a lot. Then we went to Balkanji Badi. In Balkanji Badi, that also was very small, a small place. But with my blessing, even that area also flourished and became a very big place. Then we thought Tulip Star, nothing was going to happen in Tulip Star. It was also a big area and a lot of litigations and all. But with my blessing, again, that area also has flourished a lot. So we don't have a choice but to come to SNDT College now. So that is our new venue. And this venue, compared to Tulip Star, is much bigger. Eva Pandal was there 100 feet, we did 150 feet. Then it was 80 feet, we were about 200 feet. Then breadth, passing point, every point of view, SNTT is definitely more expensive. And not expensive, better location. Expensive of course is there.
After being the oldest and the largest puja in the world, now we moved to a bigger venue. What is the theme this year that we have?
Theme? What is the theme from it?
Samrat.
So this time, like every year we have a certain theme. So this time we are trying to do something different. It could be like a Moroccan type of a theme, but that will not let go of our culture, which is going to be more present over here, our traditions. That won't change. It's going to be more beautiful, more bigger, and as this is the new venue, we want the world to see us in a new place, in a new way, and I hope this year we shall go beyond everybody's expectations. So let's see.
Mayank, you have to pass any comment?
Not on the theme, but one thing just to add to what Shamrat is saying, what we are doing differently this year is that
One minute.
so we are stepping up the efforts on the the social media front. This our puja already is the world's most digitally watched puja. It's just that it was not consolidated. So this year we are stepping up the efforts further. The idea is that anybody, any Bengali, or for that matter, any person who follows Durga Ma can watch whatever we are doing on various social media channels, be it Insta, YouTube, everywhere. So that is another new thing that we have been really stepping up our efforts. Last year was our first real year where we did something new. This year we are gonna make it much bigger. Like the digital scale of this puja is gonna go up a few notches this year.
The preparations must have already begun. The whole festival cover. What do you have to say?
The puja fever has already started. You can see the construction is happening here.
बात करते हुए कैमरे की तरफ
Achha.
सॉरी
So preparations have already started, the construction has started. So the other puja preparations where the rituals are going to happen, that also has been upgraded in a lot of ways. And the stage is going to be a little different this time. So you feel that even though we've advanced in a different to a different venue, but the tradition and the Gharua feeling is still going to be there. I think a lot more crowd can come here this year because the area is much bigger. So we're wishing all the best for our puja here.
Where we used to feed, say about 1,000 people, now in one batch we can feed about 1,500. So that is the big thing. Each batch will get 50, it's about 4-5 batches. The thing gets over faster.
Moving locations would be challenging also.
Naturally.
It's what I would like to add is I think it is more accessible for people. It's more central, and there was a little bit of limitations of space, and I think we can cater to more people here. Everybody desires to come and have a look. I think we can cater to everyone. We would request everybody to please come and visit Ma, and she is beautiful every year. And we have something really special coming up this year for the decoration also and for the culture programs as well.
talking about performances, I would like to ask, we have Daler Mendi and Preetam performing. Every year it is a variety of,
This year we have, you see, unfortunately this year there are only 3 days of entertainment. Because there's Naomi and Ashtami, Naomi and Dasami fall on the same day. So we have lost 1 day. We got only 3 days for entertainment this time and 2 days for Bhog. Once Mark goes away, you can't have Bhog. So we can't have Bhog at that time on those days. So 1 day we have lost. So on Sochi we have got Pawan Kumar, the Indian Idol singer is that Pawan Kumar. Second time we got Daler Mendi, we will have little Bhangra over there. And Preetam is, So they are the 3 days we'll have.
Jan, it's a new venue. What would you, like to say to all the players here that you shifted from Tulip to SNBT grounds?
Firstly, Debu uncle pranam, and secondly, this is a family tradition of sorts for us, and we're very happy that it's shifted to SNDT. Although we're going to miss the old venue, but everyone says change is uncomfortable. I'm looking at the best side of this, and I'm very, very excited about Durga Puja. Like every year, we've put in a lot of efforts, a lot of hard work. These people have worked incessantly to make this happen. So this year is going to be a different one, but I can assure you all that it's going to be as good as every year.
You're open for
Even
questions
better.
now? Yes, it
Even
The main
better.
thing is the change of venue, because we have a footfall of over 1 lakh of people in a Durga Puja every day. Now that one, people will go to Tulip Star. I want those people to know through the press and through your media is what I want to say, that the venue has changed. This is what has to be hammered. So that 1 lakh of people, they don't go to Tulip Star and go back disappointed. So they should know that it's not there, it is gone to SNDT College. Which I request press of you to please hammer this point that the puja is at SNDT College. Thank you. That's it.
And one point to add, like the hallmark of our puja is the bhog. If you ask, let's say, Debu Kaka Shamrat, the first thing that we'll talk about is the bhog of our puja. And the feedback over the years had been so our bhog has grown bigger and bigger every year. And that was also one of the reasons to shift this to this venue. So we would like all of you to also, broadcast the message that we have a much bigger venue for the Bhog, which is the most special thing for all of us.
Rego, come.
So another thing I would like to point out is that the puja timings are very, very early this time, very early in the morning. So any devotee who is interested in coming for the puja has to come here by 6:30 because that's when the puja will start, and the timings are very limited. So especially like people who come for Shondi Pujo, that is in the morning, that will start from 6:24 a.m. So that is very important that you all know that it is a very limited time. It's all in the morning, early morning.
Rima, you took something and we are holding this press conference for a new venue at SNBT ground. What is it?
Well, change is always important. Change होना चाहिए लाइफ में, and change is something very new. और माँ दुर्गा का आशीर्वाद तो है ही, और वो चाहती है कि कुछ और नयापन हो, कुछ नए लोग जुड़े, कुछ नया कुछ हो. So it's very important, and I think we believe in that. We all should believe in that. तो अच्छा ही होगा पूजा. सबका हार्डवर्क है, सब मेंबर्स का हार्डवर्क है, और सीनियर सिटीजन्स लोग बहुत हार्डवर्क करते हैं इस पूजा के पीछे. सब लोग, द यंगस्टर्स, द यूथ, एवरीबडी, इट्स अ टीम वर्क टुगेदर, एंड वी ट्राई टू डू समथिंग डिफरेंट एवरी ईयर. तो इस साल भी अच्छा ही होगा. सब माँ की कृपा है, माँ हमारी बहुत जागृत है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी हिस्टोरिकल पूजा. ये आज की पूजा नहीं है, ये बहुत ही, आई थिंक वी आर द 4th or 5th generations. The Lairis are in this puja, my grandparents, and of course Mukherjee uncle and Dadu and Nana and my grandparents. So then my father Bapu Lahiri, and then Rima Papa Lahiri, and now Rego bhi. So it's the 4th, 5th generation who has been carrying on this legacy. So of course जगह नया है और अच्छा ही होगा. सब लोग बहुत हार्ड वर्क है, पर आशा है कि आप लोग एंजॉय करें और प्लीज़ कम टू द पूजा एंड एंजॉय द पूजा, बी विद अस। और अगर कुछ भूल चूक होता है तो माफ़ी चाहते हैं, पर इट्स अ न्यू थिंग।
माफ़ नहीं करेंगे।
तो
It's only going to be bigger and better. That's all. Look forward to bigger and better.
Regu, what do you have to say?
So basically, I want to say that I'm like my first star of my singing career started from this stage, from this launch, and I know this puja is going to be a great puja because we are coming to a different location right now, and a lot of new things will come up to the puja, and it's going to be really good this year, and I am eternally grateful to everybody who is working so hard to do this puja, and all the credit goes to all the members and to everybody, to the workers, to the people, to the associates, to the PR, everybody. सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. And the main credit goes to Debu Kaka. He's the pioneer of the puja. He's the Shamrat. Everybody, the full Mukherjee family is the pioneer of the puja. And I hope you all will like this year's puja, and I'll see you all there.
One thing I want to add about Regu. At the age of 13, this boy, contributed 1 lakh from his own income to the puja, to this puja.
This year also.
And 13-year-old boy contributing 1 lakh rupees, and he does it a very big thing. Very big thing. He deserves a big hand.
Any message that you would like to give out as concluding?
Please come, SNTT is a new venue, please come. Master.
So we are looking forward to seeing you. We, like we said, that we promised you we'll give you a better place, and also for parking there is some more space, and food is going to be fab as every year, and even better. So looking forward to seeing you all. Please do come.
Thank you.
Since we have a day less in this year,
Yes.
Yes.
so we have both on 9 Nom also or no?
Only 2 days. So
But don't worry, जितने लोग हम cover करते हैं हम उसको cover कर देंगे, क्योंकि जगह ज़्यादा है.
when Ma is not there, you can't have a vote. So on the day she's here, you have vote. When she's gone away, then no point having
So
vote.
10th and 11th are the 2 days of Bhog. 10th and 11th.
Of October.
10th October, 11th October.
You can have vote otherwise, but there's no meaning. I won't say.
We'll have beautiful stalls also.
Yes, we have stalls. We have about 30 stalls over there.
Everything will be the same, only that the location is different. That's it. Otherwise, everything is going to
Yeah,
be
you
the
can- you
same.
can
In
see
fact,
the
much
layout.
better.
Yeah,
It's huge. It's huge.
Devi Pandal is that side. The stalls are there.
All the adjectives, bigger, better, glamorous, tasty, सब डाल दो. See you all.
Thank you.
We would want some musical touch also since we have done and Regu here. Then we'll begin with you.
Alright,
John,
I would like to sing one of my grandpa's classics. So shall I begin?
Yes.
Alright. यार मांगा है तुम्हें से दायरेकार करो, प्यार मांगा है तुम्हें से दायरेकार करो, पास बैठो जरा जो तुम इकरार करो, मुझे प्यार करो, दुर्गा पूजा को प्यार दो.
Good one, huh? Rego?
Rima, would you like to
What else I can say?
sing lovely beats of your singing?
Oh, thank you. Well, माँ का आशीर्वाद है तो माँ के नाम पे गाना गाते हैं. तूने मुझे बुलाया शेरवाली, मैं आया, तूने मुझे बुलाया शेरवाली, मैं आया शेरवाली, ओ जोधा वाली, बहारा वाली, ओ मेहरा वाली, ओ तूने मुझे बुलाया शेरवाली. वाले जय माता दी जय माँ दुर्गा जय माता
As Rema Didi rightly said, it's Ma e jonne gachi amra.
Of course.
So I would like
We're
to
all here
sing.
for Ma.
Yeah, absolutely, and I would like to sing a few lines as a homage to Ma coming and making all our lives better. Whoever knows, please join in. Of course, I'm sure you all might not be knowing it, but still I'll give it a shot. जागो তুমি जागो जागो दुर्गा जागो दश प्रहरण धारिणी অভয় শক্তি বল প্রদায়িনী তুমি জাগো জাগো তুমি জাগো বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয় বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয় বলো বলো দুর্গা মাই কি জয়
Thank you.